Guys, I'm going to show you how to duplicate. I'm going to show you how to duplicate a template for a new standardized process. So, if you're the autonomous staff, I think you are, you probably have a better idea or a new idea to do something. Let's duplicate the template. So, uh, here's the template. You know, the reason that you have everything. What I need you to do is duplicate it, and it's really simple. The link is going to be found here, and it is this video. So you're going to go to File, you're going to go to Make a Copy, you're going to name it the name of the system. So I'm going to call this How to Eat a Banana. I'm going to go to OK. Let it copy over. That is literally how you do it. The next thing you want to do is you want to share this with your site manager. So I'm going to put, Nick at Savoy Fitness or William at Savoy Fitness, whatever it is, your site manager. I'm going to share it with them. And then the very last thing that you're going to do to finish this, the why that's important, this is not needed for the system. I'm just going to delete this out. And voila, here's my template. Now I just got to go through and insert what I need to insert. Last thing I want to tell you, don't be sloppy with this. Keep the font all the same. So if I look at this system, this is a size 9. I need it size 9 Helvetica. I don't need it Arial, right? This system has the same formatting. Your headers or your reasons are purple. Your link is purple. My notes are bold. A system that has crazy fonts and everything else, grammar, punctuation, all that is not acceptable. So please adhere to the standards. And if you're unsure what those standards are, I pretty much give them to you. The font for reason 1 and reason 2 is just laid the same. That's purple. The font's already there. There's no reason that if step 3 on how to eat a banana. So if step 1 is grab the banana. Step 2 is put it in your hand. Peel the banana. Like, I can't spell today. That's not acceptable because it's all caps. Like, it needs to be just more deliberate. Please, or I'm just going to say, start peeling the banana with your thumb and index finger. Okay, it's all the same font. It has a capital letter. It has a period. I'm not going to write a system on how to do this. You're going to watch this video and I'm going to quiz the shit out of you. So that is how you create or duplicate or start your own system.